guys, Sophia here. My great challenge. I'm in the garage. It's Sunday. I was supposed to finish the power washing of the deck, and the machine's not starting, and I have to wait for Tubby to come in because he's the mechanic. Scott and I tried, didn't work. So it's 10:30-ish in the morning. I've already posted some stuff on Facebook. I'm going to show you what it is. But I'm gardening today because since I can't power wash and I got to wait for him to show up, I might as well just work on my pots. So I'm not doing any vegetable gardening, financial reasons, and also, I don't know, we got to fix the yard this year. That's what I want to do this summer. I really want to work on this yard, so I have no business being sidetracked with tomatoes. Okay, so let me show you what I got at on the curb last week, because it's quite a lot, and some of it needs repair and repaint. Other things are already placed up for sale. So here goes. There's this big turnwood lamp. Look at the size of this thing. It's really, well, I don't want to show you my old license plates. It's really, really big, really, really tall, and it's not working. I gotta fix the wire. Anyway, there's a lot of garden plant stands and whatnot. I'm not even gonna paint those. Maybe the one in the back, I don't know. Okay, this one's up for sale already. It's almost brand new. It's an antique table. It's beautiful. So that's up for sale. Found this stainless steel bar cart. Like, who throws this stuff out? I don't know. Brand new. They're like $500, $700. Anyway, it's stainless steel. It's got two glass shelves. It's on casters. It's really cool. It's up for sale. This, out of all things, yes, this is a barber chair on hydraulic, and it's one of the Minions, but it needs repair. It's easy. I just gotta find blue vinyl and fix the armrest. That's it. So I don't know why they threw it out, because the hydraulic works. I mean, I guess I don't want to have this, but that's an easy fix. So I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna sell it, because Lord knows we have a lot of barbers around here. Probably buy this for $100. It was free. Okay, this one is for sale. It's ceramic. It's a huge 3-foot snowman. Yes, I like it. It's a mess in here. Okay, there's this guy here. We're gonna keep him. He's a vintage. They don't even make them anymore. Grumpy, and he has a sign that used to say welcome, but he wrote go away on it. It's very damaged, but it's ceramic. He's very heavy. Maybe he's concrete, I don't know, but he's very heavy. He's like 45 pounds, but you can tell that he's totally faded out. So I'm thinking either I'm gonna keep it for my deck once the deck is put together. I don't know if I want to spray paint it in one color, if I want to redo the colors. I gotta think about it. Okay, more stuff. Vintage lamp. I know it's vintage because of the plug. Let me show you the plug. This one works. Ceramic, very pretty. I have to take out the felt, and here's the plug. Okay, I have to take out the felt underneath because I suspect that this is actually a brand. There's this little girl lamp right here, which is really pretty, with a bow in pink, and this here, but it's missing the white finial, so I have to get a finial. That's it. What else? This little lantern, mahogany table. These, somebody's picking them up today. It's a set of 3 plant stand. There's this old rocking chair here that has that primitive look to it. It needs to be fixed in the back. I can't remember what it is. Okay, and then this is, you know, the usual nonsense. My pots. This is all I'm doing this year. I'm going to clean out my pots. I got to weed them. I got to clean them. This is what I'm doing. And then I have these plants. I'm going to put some of these, some of those. These are sweet potato vine, and then this is for height. So that's really all I'm doing. And then I have Grandma's table, which somewhere, here's my busted barbecue. We can't move anything to the curb because we're north side, and that's not this week, that's next week. So that's going to have to be moved at some point. I have my wrought iron table here that I need to, this is an antique, I need to spray paint it. And then this is my hostas, which are dying in the sun. They usually are on that side in the corner of the deck over there. But let me show you the deck from this side. We did all of this yesterday. So all of this has been clean, but this is the side that's not. So not clean, clean. Can see the difference, right? Clean, not clean. But this stupid thing here won't start, so I have to wait. Okay. Yeah, let me use this. So what I'm doing is removing whatever's regrown, and then I'm going to add a little bit of soil, and those are going to go on the deck after I restain it. So, I'm going to put one of these, that's a geranium. Let me see, where are my glasses? Attracts butterflies. Okay, full sun, that's good. So that's going to be on the sunny side of the deck. 6 hours or more of sun. Okay, geranium, Vinca, marigold, and Dusty Miller. I'm not sure. Okay. Annual, grows 8 to 20 inches tall, 6 to 12 wild. Okay, so it definitely needs half the pot to itself. These are sweet potato vines, great for containers. Okay, so this I gotta put a little bit more towards the right here, so I'm gonna put one here and one here, and that's just gonna fall to the sides here. So here's one. Let me put the gloves. A self-made woman. Going to move this to the shade because I just watered them, and you're not supposed to water when it's sunny. So I'm just going to put that in the garage until later today, and then tomorrow I'll bring them back out. Okay, so now in this purple pot here, remember when I spray painted those 2 years ago? Maybe it was last year, I can't remember. I'm going to put these guys, and these are mystery plants. No, they're not. These are confetti annuals. I gotta put my glasses on. Hold on. They look like wave petunias to me. Alright, well, they look like wave petunias. Remember my big white planter? When we took it down from the deck, it broke. It literally shattered on one side. So I'm going to take some of the soil that's in there, put it in here, and we'll see how this grows. I'm hoping it works. If it doesn't and it looks like it's suffering from lack of, nutrients or whatever, I'll transplant it and put it in the yard. So one large pot, I need to get casters for them. Little dollies, 2 pots. I have those 2 here with the flowers, the one with the grass. Added the American flag to it, and then by my front door I've added this. This is a don't mind the crate, it's forward. What do you call it? A plant stand that I picked up off the street and I repainted. And then when I was repainting it, I realized that one of the hinges was broken. I couldn't fix it, so I kind of wired it back together. And then I have one pot here with mint, and it's got sunshine. You see the sun is coming onto the porch here, so it's got sunshine for about 6 hours during the day. There's this pot here which I really like, but I found it on the street. It's got a big chip right here, so I can't sell it. So I'm going to keep it like that. At some point I'll add something, and then I added one more of my little confetti right here. I need to add some soil, and that's my basket for the mail, and actually that's also a street find. So it stays right here. I kind of like this little configuration here by the front door. I just need to find plant, maybe something that cascades, to put on there, or maybe I'll leave it like that, I don't know. Anyway, I have some painting to do. So somebody threw away those 2 wrought iron garden spikes. See that? There's a tall one and a short one, and they've been taking water, and I'm assuming that's the reason why they threw them out. So what I'm going to do is see if I can unscrew them, clean them out, and spray paint them in black, and I'm going to keep them. People are just weird. All you got to do is unscrew it. Okay, unscrew that. Let's see what happens. I should be able to empty it out, right? I hope so. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to clean out the inside of the bowls. And all I have to do is, use some good soap, whatnot. Let me empty that. And all of this is gonna get spray painted and it's gonna go in my flower pots. So here's the first one, and all I did really was put water and soap and give it a good shake, and then I inserted a rag in it and I let it, you know, fill up the whole bowl, and then added water and then went like this, like a washing machine. And guess what? It removed all of the rust, and this one looks like it's iridescent pink. I don't know if you can see it. So let me spray paint the rest of the stuff and then I'll move on to the next one.
Excuses when I simply don't care. Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do than hang around and wait for you. I said I got enough to do than sit around and wait for you to grow up, yeah, and be responsible.
So this is everything I've potted today. This is the one I cleaned. This one I had to put the W40 on it. I can't get it open, so I'm gonna leave it like that for a couple of days. These are things that are decor for the deck. I cleaned out the butcher's block that goes on the deck. I'm gonna let it dry in the sun for a couple of days, and then I have to oil it. Cleaned up this whole area here. That's my planter that got busted, that needs to go on the curb. That's the barbecue that's busted and needs to go on the curb. All of this here is clean, and the deck is finished. So I'm going to show you what the deck looks like. It's still wet, but it's done. So it's going to rain. It's going to wash off a lot of the sawdust, and next weekend we'll be ready to start staining it, but it was a lot of work. So I'm done with today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm exhausted. It was really tiring. So I'm going back to work tomorrow. So there'll be another video during the week, which is this one. And then next weekend we'll be staining. I have a feeling it's going to take more than 2 days though. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.